In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add Bybit virtual card to Apple Pay wallet. Now we have multiple ways to do this, and the first one is going to be from the Bybit application itself. Now, for step 1, when you open up the Bybit card dashboard, a pop-up window will appear. You just want to tap on the Add Now to begin the setup. If the pop-up doesn't appear, you want to scroll down and tap on the arrow icon under the Apple logo right here. You simply want to choose your virtual card, which is going to be something like this. And then basically you have to type in your name and your card number. From there, you just want to simply tap on next to proceed. You want to review the terms and condition, and you can also choose to make your Bybit card the default card for Apple Pay by tapping use as default card or select not now if you prefer to decide later. From there, we will be able to add our Bybit virtual card onto our Apple Pay. Now, of course, we also have another method, but basically that is going to be the easiest way for you to add your Bybit virtual card. You can also do this from the Apple Wallet itself. You want to click on Apple Wallet, click on the plus icon at the top of your screen, and then you can just go ahead and enter your card details like the expiration date, the security code, and the card number. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.